Assalamu alaikum. This is the third part of the series. In this video, we will learn some important and mostly used computer science or IT and general knowledge abbreviations that will help you to pass all the entry tests or exams. So let's start our video. FAT stands for File Allocation Table. FAQ, Frequently Asked Questions. FDC stands for Floppy Disk Controller. FDD, it stands for Floppy Disk Drive. FDMA stands for Frequency Division Multiple Access. FIFO stands for First In, First Out. That this term is used in data structures, even in C or C++ or in other languages. FHS stands for File System Hierarchy Standard. FCS stands for Frame Check Sequence. FPU stands for Floating Point Unit. FS stands for File System. FSB stands for Front Side Bus. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. FXP stands for File Exchange Protocol. GB, capital G and small b, is gigabit, because small b stands for bit, and capital B, GB, is gigabyte. Capital B, small b is a bit, and capital B is, it abbreviates byte. GCR stands for Group Code Recording. GDI stands for Graphic Device Interface. GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format. GIGO stands for Garbage In, Garbage Out. GPL stands for General Public License. GPRS stands for General Packet Radio Service. GPU stands for Graphics Processing Unit. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. HAL stands for Hardware Abstraction Layer. HCI stands for Human Computer Interaction. HD stands for High Density. HDD stands for Hard Disk Drive. HD DVD stands for High Definition DVD. And DVD stands for Digital Video Disc. HDL stands for Hardware Description Language. HHD stands for Hybrid Hard Drive. HID stands for Human Interface Device. HIG stands for Human Interface Guidelines. HP stands for Hewlett-Packard. HPFS stands for High Performance File System. HT stands for Hyper Threading. HTM stands for Hierarchical Temporal Memory. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPD stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Daemon. HTX stands for Hyper Transport Expansion. HURD stands for Herd of Unix Replacing Daemons. HVD stands for Holographic Versatile Disk. HZ stands for Hertz, is a frequency of unit. IBM stands for International Business Machines. IC stands for Integrated Circuit. And ICMP stands for Internet Control Message Protocol. ICP stands for Internet Cache Protocol. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. IDL stands for Interface Definition Language. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment or Integrated Drive Electronics. So both can be. IE stands for Internet Explorer. That's a software. It's like a browser. IGMP stands for Internet Group Management Protocol. IGRP stands for Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. IHV stands for Independent Hardware Vendor. IIOP stands for Internet Inner ORP Protocol. IIS stands for Internet Information Server. IM stands for Instant Messaging. IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. IO, Input Output. IP stands for Internet Protocol. IPC stands for Inter-Process Communication. IPP stands for Internet Printing Protocol. IPsec stands for Internet Protocol Security. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television. IPX stands for Internetwork Packet Exchange. IRC stands for Internet Relay Chat. IRDA stands for Infrared Data Association. IRP stands for Input-Output Request Packet. IRQ stands for Interrupt Request. ISC stands for Internet Storm Center. ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. ISOC stands for Internet Society. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. ISR stands for Interrupt Service Routine. ISV stands for Independent Software Vendor. IT as Information Technology. ITU stands for International Telecommunication Union. So guys, if you are new on this channel, you can visit our website, that is everyinfosys.com, where you will find all the interesting videos about latest technologies and security cams and spy cams and some interesting latest information. And this is our YouTube channel where you can watch all the interesting videos about artificial intelligence and security cams, spy cams, and latest technologies, and even see videos. Please subscribe our channel and like and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.